All right, guys, happy Thanksgiving, first of all. And today's video, we're going to be talking about what it feel like owning four cars. So, I own four cars. Three of them is paid off. One only have just a little bit of car payment left to pay off, which I'm going to do within maybe like 5 more months. So, making a YouTube channel and talk about cars and finance and all this stuff, people have some negative stuff to say. And I just want to say I welcome it, guys. Like, I'm okay. I'm not perfect. I'm not trying to be perfect. I don't want to be perfect. And just to show you that I'm not perfect, I'm going to show you all the flaws with the cars. This car I have, of course, 248,000 miles and not all that perfect. It gets dirty right now. Doesn't even have a hubcap on. But hey, it works. All my cars park outside, so there will be dirt, bird poop everywhere. I live in a nice neighborhood. I live close to farmland, so there's a lot of dirt and stuff like that. Brand new neighborhood. I work pretty damn hard. Of course, look at the Camry, dirty as hell. The smoke gray is dirty. Mechanically, this car I have no issues, but these cars are dry. Every car has really been drove around here. Like I said, the Corolla, of course, dirty as hell. Still have little problems. Still have the light sensor on, guys. The Lexus, I don't know what I'm going to do with this car yet. I do want to sell it, but also want to keep it. One thing about owning used cars that I never put it out there, that I like to drive cars for a little bit, get my experience, and then I switch. So far, the Corolla is one of the only cars I haven't, plan on selling, but everything else I sell, guys. Like, I'll buy it, own it for 2-3 years and 4 years maybe, have some fun with it, but none of my cars are perfect. The engine check light just came on for this. Look at the tires. Look at the tires, bro. I just saw that this morning. Of course I have a car fund, so I'm about to put, brand new tires on the car, on my next, free day that I got. I didn't even saw that, but like I said, guys, it's not perfect. It still costs money to own four cars, even though, I'm not really doing car payments. Maintenance matter, guys. But like I said, I gotta put new tires on it. I'm just gonna do all fours. If this one is bad, that means that one is bad over there too. But yeah, I got a car fund for this car, so guess what? Am I losing money? No, because I'm already putting $150 away a month in a savings account just for this car. Every car I own have its own savings account. And I put money away towards that. Depends on what the yearly maintenance required for this car. So yeah, I might need new tires, but guess what, guys? I'm not going in my pocket. The money's already there to be spent. Now this right here, this the last car I bought. Actually, I bought this car and the Camry on the same day. I bought them both on the same day, just to let you know. So the reason I bought this Miata, because I was driving manual, and I wanted something manual, and I wanted something convertible, because we live in beautiful Miami, bro. Look at this weather, bro. Look at this Florida weather, man. So I just wanted something that I could drop the top, and I don't like soft tops, so I had to do my research. The Miata fit everything. It was manual, rear-wheel drive, and hardtop convertible. Is it brand new? No. Is it perfect? No. The paint is like faded, but that's how I bought the car, and that's okay, bro. Like, I'm not here to say, look at me, I got the most cleanest, fresh cars in the market. I don't chase clout like that. When you live my type of lifestyle, you don't really care about clout, bro. I promise you. Like, I could easily turn this into a show car if I want to. I could get some 3-piece rims. I could wrap the car that I might do. I could whatever. Like, I could really turn these cars up if I want to. But you know what? I buy these cars just to actually enjoy it. Like I said, manual. I could drop the top, and sometimes me and my wife like to drive down to the Keys. Guess what? If you from Florida and you drive down to the Keys, there's nothing more awesome than dropping the top and having the convertible heading down to Key West. Like, I don't care what no one say. So did I spend an arm and a leg to get me some expensive convertible for that experience, no. I went and got me this Miata. This is the biggest Miata. This is the NC. Me and my wife could fit. We're not like fat people, and there's nothing wrong being fat if you are fat. I'm not saying that, but we're not big fat people, and we could just drop the top that I want to, and we could go down to the Keys, and we could enjoy it. And I didn't spend arm and a leg, guys. I bought this car for $6,000. $6,000 I bought this car, but that's my daughter just came in. So yeah, man. So I don't have to spend all my money try to look like something that I'm not. And this car also need work, I mean, no check light, nothing like that. But of course, it would, nice to give it a new paint job, maybe upgrade the original factory system. This is the factory Bose. I could easily put a touchscreen in here if I wanted to. Like I said, guys, none of these cars are perfect. I'm not trying to be perfect, and I do spend money on these cars. This car probably gonna need oil change soon. The last oil change was done a couple months ago. But the good thing about driving, the good thing about owning 3-4 cars, that none of these cars really get drive a lot, because every day I could switch them. The car I drive the most actually is the new Camry, but between 4 cars, I don't really put as much miles on them all at once. So like this oil change right here could take me months to get to it, because most of these are like special reasons I drive these cars. Like a nice day, I might just go out. If I want to go to to the beach or something, I might drive this Miata. That's what I use it for. And guess what? Because there's no car payments or nothing like that, it doesn't really cost me no money having to sit in, other than paying the insurance and the tag. So none of these cars are perfect. I'm not trying to be perfect. I could easily turn these cars into something else that is not. I am starting another channel. Well, I do have another channel, and I'm going to start restoring these cars and stuff like that, but I'm going to put that on the other channel, because I don't want to have conflict on both channels. Like, I don't want to turn this channel into a car maintenance channel. It's going to be more like talking and discussion. So I'm going to be posting the link down below. I don't know what I'm going to do with this car or this car yet. I might sell one of them. I might sell them both and go get something else, I do want a Corvette C6. It's been a while. And a Corvette C6 top could also come off. So if I get a manual C6 Tiger top, that means it's basically everything this is, but just a lot faster. So, but yeah, man, I'm not perfect, bro. And I know everyone in the comments want to talk some shit. And that's okay. You could talk your shit, but if I really truly want to, I could go grab me a C8 Z06 right now. Yeah, my money's that long. I could go grab me a C8 Z06 if I truly want to, bro. It ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like I make very good money, and I invested my money extremely well. I bought myself a nice $1 million home. I have investment properties. I have 4 cars. Trust me, if it's all about status, I could really, really up it. And I might just up it, just because I can. But, for me to go buy me a C8 Z06, best believe everything is calculated, and clearly I'm making money off that car. I promise you. Okay, if you see me buy a Z06 and I have it on this channel, I promise you I'm making money off that car 100%. Okay, it ain't just to show and boast and brag, but I'm not here to talk about how much money I could spend, because I don't really care, guys. Like, I promise you, in this whole neighborhood, I probably have the oldest cars. Other than my Camry, I guarantee you I'm probably the guy with the oldest cars here, and that's okay. Man. Spend your money your way. Save your money, and don't go broke. It's a blessing to own 4 cars. Let me tell you something. Ain't nobody broke have 4 cars. I promise you. Ain't nobody's broke able to afford 4 cars, bro. And I'm able to do that with multiple houses. Okay, so yeah. So this is for all the haters that think it's all sweet and stuff. Thank you for watching my video. I'm never going to be bashing y'all because at the end of the day, I love interaction. All interaction is good interaction for me. If you dislike my video, I still got an interaction. If you comment negative stuff, I still got an interaction. So I'll just let y'all know, man, it's still good over here. But I'm going to end this video off right here, go back to playing with my daughter. And happy Thanksgiving once again. And beautiful Florida weather, guys. Be positive, be safe, save some money, have the driven mindset to be better than yesterday. And I'll see y'all in the next video.